This video is part of a series of videos I'm doing on manual machining, and this machine is a KRV 2000. It's an XYZ machine. It's a turret mill, and these turret mills, they're all similar to the Bridgeport BRJ, and these are very versatile machines. You can tip the head over, you can tip it forward and backwards, you can rotate it, you do all sorts of stuff. So it's really useful for, you can tip the head right over and drill holes in the side of a part if you want to. So they're very versatile machines, and they can really access all areas. So they're really useful to have in a workshop. But they are manual machines, they're not CNC controlled. This one's got an Acurite MillVision digital readout. It's a fairly old 1990, 89, 99, 1990 DRO, but it's still got some quite clever little functions on there. So enjoy the video. This Acurite digital readout has a calculator function, so you can quickly turn on this calculator function and do your calculations without going to your phone or your calculator or moving away from the machine. So it's quite a useful function to have, and this bit of the video teaches you how to use that. Press your calculator button there and again. If you go, say you wanted to divide 26, so type in 26. Yeah. Then press divide. You see the divide key there, yeah. Okay, yeah. Divided by, yeah. And type in 25.4. Yeah. And then press equals, yeah. And that's give you an the result. So if you now use the top button at the top of the menu key, you see it moves over to preset store. Now if you press preset store, which is this arrow here, it's now stored that. So what you can do then is anything that you've got like there, I could say add that to the preset, which will add that to that. You see what I mean? And then at any point, you can recall that preset, but you've got to switch across there to get that choice. So if I recall the preset recall, let's put that up there, and then I could do something with that, multiply that by 6. So it's just like your memory button on your calculator, where you can store things into memory.